I'm here just because I love Egypt very much, and I want her to be in a better or in the best situation ever. And so I want for Egypt a perfect president to give Egypt a perfect future. I love Egypt. That's it.
How long have you been here in the United States?
May 2011.
Okay, so recent, and
Yeah.
she's cute.
Yeah, I have 2 babies here.
Okay.
My husband, but I visit Egypt every year.
You do?
Yes.
So you like the fact that do you think it seems safer over in Egypt right now? A lot of Americans feel that Egypt is dangerous. Do you think it's still dangerous? Do you think it's safer?
No, Egypt is very safe forever.
Okay, all right.
I never see it not safe. It's the safest place ever.
Okay.
I'm one who love Egypt so much and see it the best ever.
كويس. خلاص. شكرا.
Yes. عفوا.
You did good. She did.